Salamun Alaikum. Everyone's saying that Quran is complete code of life, but we cannot find the Islamic greetings in the Quran. Assalamu Alaikum. So can you explain it? What is the difference between Salamun Alaikum and Assalamu Alaikum?
Salamun Alaikum. Tibtu Mubarakam Tayyiba. Rabbi a'udhu bika min hamasati shayateen. Wa a'udhu bika Rabbi an yahdurun. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Rabbi zidni ilma. Dear listeners, dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to discuss about very essential issues of human life according to the Holy Quran. And before a while, we have heard a question which is very much important for our life, that is about Islamic greetings. That means we are watching everyone greetings to each other by saying Assalamu Alaikum. At the same time, they are speaking, they are telling this lie. Quran is complete code of life, but they are not following the Quranic greetings. So question is, what is the difference between Salamun Alaikum and Assalamu Alaikum? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taught Salamun ala Muhammad how to greet each other. That we can find in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-An'am, Surah number 6, verse number 54. Allah said here, وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ. I am requesting all of you, my dear brothers and sisters, you just open the Quran and see the verse. And again, I am repeating, you open the Quran and find out the verse 54 of Surah Al-An'am, Surah number or chapter number 6, verse number 54. Allah taught Salamun ala Muhammad, وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ, when a people who are believing in the verses of the Holy Quran come up to you, then you say, Allah's order, the believers or believing people, when they will come up to you, then you must say, all is a order of imperative sentence. It is called in Arabic language Failul Amr. Allah has ordered Salamun ala Muhammad and commanded to Salamun ala Muhammad, just you say, just you tell, Salamun Alaikum. That is very clear verse and self-explanatory. Allah taught Salamun ala Muhammad, you say, you greet to each other, Salamun Alaikum. Peace and security be upon you all. And how to greet each other, Allah has said in another verse, Surah An-Nisa, Surah number 4, verse number 86. وَإِذَا حُيِّيتُمْ بِالتَّحِيَّةِ, when you are greeted by greetings, just you will reply as like greetings, or you will reply in the best way. So when you meet with any Muslim, men or women or believing people, then you greet by saying Salamun Alaikum. You must not say Assalamu Alaikum, because Allah has taught Salamun Alaikum. And you will get this verse in various verses in the Holy Quran, several places in Surah An-Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 32, and in Surah Al-Ra'd, chapter number 13, verse number 24, Salamun Alaikum. And how to reply, how to answer. When anyone greet to you, then you must answer, you must reply with the best way. That is, Salamun Alaikum Tibtum. You will get it, you will find it in Surah Al-Zumar, Surah number 39, and verse number 73. And what is the object of greetings? Object of salam? Allah has declared and stated in Surah An-Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 61. Tahiyyatan min indillah. It's a salam, it's a congratulation from Allah Almighty. Tahiyya and salam both are same. That we will get in Surah Yunus, Surah number 10, verse number 10. Allah has said, Mubarakatan Tayyiba. So when you will greet to you, as per Quran, as per following of Salamun ala Muhammad, as per tradition and practice of Salamun ala Muhammad, Salamun Alaikum, Tibtum Mubarakatan Tayyiba. But if you say Assalamu Alaikum, or if you greet to each other, Assalamu Alaikum, that is completely out of the Holy Quran. That was not taught to Salamun ala Muhammad. That was not taught by Salamun ala Muhammad. That was not projected or used or practiced by Salamun ala Muhammad. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered and commanded to Salamun ala Muhammad, you just follow Surah Anam, Surah number 6, verse number 54. So we must say for our greetings as per Quran, as per following of Salamun ala Muhammad, Salamun Alaikum, Tibtum Mubarakatan Tayyiba. This is the Quranic solution. If you follow Quran, just follow this ayah, and if you don't follow, it is up to you. Salamun Alaikum, Tibtum Mubarakatan Tayyiba.